Good day everyone, welcome. If you're looking for a powerful project management tool, especially for software development teams, Jira probably came up on your radar. But is it worth your time? And more importantly, does it actually make your workflow better or just more complicated? Today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about Jira, what it does well, where it struggles, and whether it's the right fit for your team. Right, so Jira, developed by Atlassian, is a project management tool originally built for issue and bug tracking in software development. Over years, it evolved into a full-featured agile project management suite with support for Scrum, Kanban, sprints, roadmaps, and custom workflows, you name it. It's heavily used by software engineers, DevOps teams, and product managers, but it's not just for coding teams anymore. Marketing, design, and operation teams have also started adopting it thanks to its flexibility. Now, my friends, let us discuss the features. So firstly, we have agile boards. Whether you use Scrum or Kanban, Jira lets you manage sprints, backlogs, and tasks in a clean, organized way. Custom workflows. You can create workflows that match your team's exact process, down to the transitions, conditions, and rules. Advanced reporting, burn down charts, velocity charts, cumulative flow diagrams. Jira gives you serious insight into performance and bottlenecks. Integrations. It integrates seamlessly with Confluence, Bitbucket, GitHub, Slack, Figma, and hundreds more tools. Automation. Jira's built-in automation rules help you reduce manual work, like auto-assigning tasks or updating statuses when code is pushed. Now let's talk what Jira does right, which are of course the pros. So firstly, very powerful for complex projects. If you need granular control, it delivers. Agile focused, it's built with agile teams in mind, so features like sprint planning, backlog, grooming, and epics feel native. A massive ecosystem, you've got add-ons, integrations, and a huge community to support just about anything you want to do. Scalable. Jira can handle solo devs and enterprise level teams equally well. Now let us get to the downsides, of course. Firstly, steep learning curve. Jira isn't intuitive for beginners. Even basic setups can feel overwhelming without a walkthrough. Overkill for small teams. If you just want a simple to-do list or visual board, Jira might be too much. Performance issues at scale. Some users report slowdowns when working with very large boards or complex automation, and clunky UI in places. Now, the interface is powerful, but it's not always the smoothest or most modern looking. Right now, guys, let us discuss the pricing, which is, of course, very important. Jira offers a free plan for up to 10 users, which is great for small teams just getting started. Paid plans start at $8.15 per user per month and scale up depending on features and team size. For large enterprises, Jira also offers customizable pricing with advanced security and controls. And now this gets us to the final verdict. If you're managing a software or technical team that works in sprints or needs detailed tracking, Jira is one of the best tools out there. But if you're just looking for a lightweight visual task manager, you might be better off with something like Trello or ClickUp. The power is there, but it comes with complexity. So make sure your team is ready to commit at the time to set it up properly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, of course drop a like, and if you use Jira yourself, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you want to explore alternatives, I've got reviews for ClickUp, Trello, and Asana coming soon, so subscribe to stay in the loop.